In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download attachments in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a file from a Classroom post onto your device so you can view or edit it offline. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Classroom homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the account your class uses so everything loads properly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the class you want to work in and click it. In the example you're seeing, it's labeled Sample, but yours will show your actual class name. This opens the class stream. Next, head to the Classwork tab at the top. Classwork organizes everything by topic, which makes it easier to find materials and attachments your teacher has shared. In the list of posts, locate the material item you need. Material is the post type used for resources like slides, PDFs, and documents. Click the material to expand it, then click View Material to open the full details page. This view gives you the attachment and any description the teacher included. Now, click the attachment itself. You'll see the file name listed. Go ahead and select it to open a preview. This preview is helpful for quickly checking the content, but to download reliably, we'll pop it into its own tab. Look for the highlighted icon near the top right of the preview. This is the option that lets you open the file separately. Click that highlighted control, then choose Open in New Tab. Opening it in a new tab loads the file in Google Drive's viewer, which gives you the standard download controls. In the new tab, find the download button, usually an arrow pointing down, and click it. Your browser will either download the file straight to your default downloads folder or ask you where to save it. If you're prompted, pick a location you'll remember. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish. Once complete, you can open it from your downloads folder or the location you selected. A few quick tips to wrap up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, make sure it allows them for Google Sites so the new tab opens smoothly. Keep an eye on your device's storage so big files have room to download. And if you plan to share the file later, remember that some attachments are restricted by your school's sharing settings. That's it. Go to your class, open the material, preview the attachment, pop it into a new tab, and download. Thanks for watching and happy learning.